Hello, this is the 12:56 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo, coming in from Portsmouth Harbour. That's probably a double 450. That's cool. Slightly hammer as well if you want. Starting now, after the PA kicked in. I wonder if they're both going to be in new colours. It's actually a decent vantage point as well to see it go. At the ends, I think it's better. This one is calling at, make sure to have a Basingstoke, Fleet, Farnborough, Woking and Waterloo. Missing Clapham entirely. Which is odd, isn't it? You'd think these ones would stop there, wouldn't you? I thought all of them kind of had to. Obviously not from here. Be interesting to see if both are in new colours as well. Do you reckon they both will be? Both 450s. Here it comes, I think. I do like that chime. It's nice, isn't it?
The 12:56 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo.
These ones go via Basingstoke. Others go via Guildford from Waterloo.
This train has 8 carriages.
450. What was it? Leading one. 450.052. That's in new colours as well. I wonder if the back one will be. Hang on, let's stand back a little bit so we don't think we're getting on. Be nice to get on a 450 though, wouldn't it? I think that door chime's a little bit distorted compared to that one.
It was a slight delay, wasn't there?
It was a slight maybe the guard didn't release it immediately.
No, maybe.
There's the back one in new colours as well, down there. Do you see the other unit? Ooh, that was a weird whistle. Weird one. Always the landscape when filming.
Always landscape.
Yep, because then you get more on the screen. Oh, that was cool. Right. Point it down for a second. Now. For a minute I thought we were getting on that train. Huh? They might not have been, actually. Let's see if the back one's in new colours. 450.052 is in the lead. And then the back one, yeah, it is. Also in new colours. And that's it.